Hi everybody, this is Antara Nandy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're someone like me who for a very long time didn't quite pay attention to skin or skincare in general, I'm sure there are a few things you wouldn't be aware about when it comes to skincare. There are things that I've actually recently discovered, like how important it is to get your hands on a good serum, or what ingredient is specifically very important to get your skin into good shape and condition. So today I'm here to talk to you all about all that. First, let's get into what is a serum. A serum is basically a lightweight moisturizer which penetrates deep into your skin to make sure that your skin is hydrated at all times, while also making sure that some of the most important ingredients are absorbed well into your skin. Now you could ask, why serum over a moisturizer? That's because serums are highly concentrated, they are lightweight, and they blend in easily. I recently read up about ingredient-based skincare where I found out that vitamin C is very important for skincare. Reason being, vitamin C has antioxidant properties, it helps get away with dark spots, it ensures even skin tone, it has skin brightening properties, and it also acts as an anti-aging solution. So one thing that we've established so far is the fact that no matter what, we need vitamin C to be a part of our skincare regime, and the easiest way to get vitamin C onto your skin is through a serum. Well, if you ask me about the best vitamin C serum that I've personally come across, I would say the Garnier vitamin C serum is one of the best. With 30 times the vitamin C content in it, it will help you achieve that bright, smooth, spotless tone in a very short span. I'm going to quickly show you how I use this product. Step 1 is cleansing your face well, making sure there's no product on your face, absolutely clean. You just need 2 to 3 drops of the serum using the dropper on your face. I have to mention how I love the packaging of the product, how it's so compact and easy to carry around, and I love the fact that it has a dropper. It's made it so much easier to use the serum. After you've dropped the serum on your skin, don't rub, only gently tap or gently massage the serum onto your skin. Make sure you're not rubbing it into your hands. The product is absolutely non-sticky and very light on the skin, which is why it gets absorbed easily and it makes the skin look so radiant for 12 long hours. Here's a picture of how my skin looked before I started using the serum. I'm sure you can see the spots and the marks. And this is my skin now. I think this before after talks a lot. The serum is available in 3 sizes. 15 ml is for 225, 30 ml for 449 rupees, and you have the 50 ml bottle for rupees 875. I myself have been using the Garnier vitamin C serum for the past 7 days, but I saw visible difference within the first 3 days of using the serum. Here's a little good news for you. This product has no sulfates or parabens, which means it is made up of more natural ingredients and no chemicals. The way to use this serum is you can use it during the day or at night and layer it up with your favorite moisturizer or sunscreen to make sure that you lock in all the goodness. All the links for purchase are in the description section, so check them out. I'm sure this serum is going to change your life. From personal experience, my skin feels healthy, hydrated, and glowing all day long. For best results, use it twice a day like I do. I hope that was helpful. Let me know what you thought. Leave your comments in the comment section. I'll see you soon. Bye.